Hello everyone, in the last episode I introduced you to conditional statements and we did the if else statements. Now in this episode I want to introduce you to another conditional statement, which is a switch statement. So the if statement and the switch statement are the two different conditional statements. So with the if else statements, we start with the if and then goes with else if and end with the else. So now when you're dealing with the switch conditions, just get this. Okay, so we start our PHP. Okay, so you write switch. Yes, we use switch. Okay, so now I'm going to say name is equals to comfort here, and then let's say I want to check if this name is equals to comfort using the switch statement this time. So I'm going to say switch, and then I pass in a name variable here, what to be executed. So when I'm dealing with the switch statements, we use the cases to choose. Okay, unlike the if else statement, I use the if else if to choose. But when I'm dealing with the switch, we use the cases. So here I'm going to say case, which let's say case violet. Yes, case violet, and then here it equals to say this is violet. This is violet. And then so here what we are trying to say is this. So here we are checking for what is in this name variable. So this, the first case is saying it's violet but it's comfort here. So here if this is equals to violet, if this case is equals to violet, and then it will echo what's this, this is violet, and then to end the case you need to pass break, which tells us that we are ending our case. So again we go with case, another case to say it's tzenge, and then this one will tell us to say echo we are, okay, so we are going to say we are not talking about tzenge here. Tzenge, I write it properly, and then I break to show that this is where our case 2 is ending. So here what it is this. So this first case is checking if this variable is violet, and case 2 is checking if it's checking if case is equals to tzenge, and then case 3 will check if it's comfort. So I'm going to say case comfort, and here say echo yes it is comfort. Yes, it is comfort. Yes, it is comfort, and then I break to show that we are ending our case here. So here we go. So here it gives us yes, it is comfort, yeah, which is true. So let's say this one I add Patrick, and then as you can see, to bring nothing but a blank page. So here we go. So as I said earlier on in the if else conditional statements, when none of the condition is equals to true, we are using the else. So here we're going to use a keyword which is default. So I'm going to say default like this, and then echo the name is invalid, please try again, and then break, because it's sending from here, and then break. So here it is checking to say this case for violet is incorrect. So this one is telling us that this variable is violet, and this case is telling us the variable is tzenge, which is not true, and this case is telling us the variable is Patrick. So this one, it is this default, it's the default when none of the cases is equals to true. So if I refresh here, we'll get the name is invalid, please try again, because none of these cases is equals to true. So if I want to, so here if I replace it with comfort, it will end from here, it will not go elsewhere, it will just end from here, So here we are, we get this. Yes, it is comfort. So that's all when it comes to switch conditional statements. And in the next episode, I want to introduce you to some functions. Okay, here we go again. We'll meet in the next episode.